Hello everyone, this is the Watcher here once again to give us some updates on the market, especially the crypto market, which I examine first today before we go to other markets. This is my Twitter page, and I post charts sometimes, and you can get an idea of what I'm looking at from this Twitter page. Also, now we shall examine some coins that I believe you can make some profit from. Let's start from these waffles. You already know that Waffles is Da Vinci's cat, and from the chart, is looking almost ready for another run. And I will give us reasons from other why the run is almost near from other charts. If we examine maybe Doge and Solana, but I believe we're almost there. Even if you follow the liquidity pools and break and retest. This will be a retest after breaking above this level. So this will be the retest. I believe once this weekend, if we can get down to this place, it will be ready for buying for people that want to buy. And then from next week, next 2 weeks, we expect it to start moving up. And we have confirmation of that even from if we check from last year. Last year, if we check how the bull market started, let's say from Solana, or even previous years from 2024, I believe, yeah, you can see we almost got into bull market from, we started almost around October 14th, October, from between October 11th and October 14th. So we are almost there by a calendar year. That is when we had this break above. It retest but didn't go below the bull market support band, and it continued up. And then till probably till January of this year when it ended. So if we also check from Doge, Doge will give us a clearer picture. I like the chart of Doge so much; it's very easy to analyze. You can see it had the first pop up in September down, then the next in October around 13, 14 upwards. It continues running and never went below the bull market support band till around February. That is end of January, February. So this also is what I expect to play out here. You can see we've been consolidating in this channel for a while, and this I have told us in the last video has a kind of inverted head and shoulder and with an extra arm. So what I said is that we will experience a drop. I said it I think 2 days ago, and that drop is coming. Once we drop a little, maybe this weekend, towards this bull market support band, then from there now we can push ahead and target this high. This is where my target of Doge is. So I expect another run like this one up. We run to this level. So once we get around 0.8, 0.9, or possibly $1, which may be the psychological target, then the market will be too hot for anyone. So that is my take on Doge. And you can also see from the chart of Solana, as I have told us before, we expect a drop toward this level. Let's use this bull market support band as a support. Once it comes close to it or touches it, then we are ready to fly. And target will be, if you extend this top anywhere around here, that will be my target for Solana. It can break above it, but I don't want to risk it. Then this one is also almost ready. Everything is almost ready to fly. I told us it will drop, and it started dropping. But the drop, I expect it to complete maybe by Sunday or Monday. Then we'll be ready for another lift up, and so that is it. The leg down is coming, almost complete, and from there we fly. And the target for this one, I expect it to get to 4.5 or $5, so something like this. Technically, it should be almost dissemblant with this, but anything can happen. Can go higher, but maybe 4.5. Let's not target $5. Yeah, 4.5, 4.8. Also, I have other coins, accumulation coins. Coins, okay, let's take Sui. Sui is still the same, even though the chart of this still needs maybe some volume and some time, but it will still rise from next week. We shall have a clear direction of the market on Sui from next week. So, because I still do not see a clear sign that the market in Sui have made the bull market support band is clear support. So you can see lastly still broke it twice in recent times. So we'll give it a little more time, maybe towards November, to show the directions. But here also is an accumulation phase for so long. So you can just buy and hold and stake your tier. Boson. Yeah, Boson is our coin, our favorite coin for so long, but I don't know what is happening in Boson. Maybe the market has forgotten the promises or and the tech they develop, but give it some time. That is how crypto works, and possibly by October, November, it will push. And our target this time, near time, will be first here and then higher. If we check it on the weekly, you know they have a staking program. So the staking program is what kept a lot of people going. All this why the market is dumping. So it can break this level, go to $1 and higher, because it started from around $4 or $5 to 4. So the upside on this one is very huge, but if we can get to maybe $2 is still okay. Because let's not be too optimistic, because a lot of trading volume these days is going to Bitcoin and Ethereum and not to altcoins. So it should be reasonable to not expect so much from some of these odds. So maybe if you can get to $1 or $2, I say moderate target. So that is it. Now we can now look at Link. Link is another one that many of us have made profit from in the past, and I expect Link to keep climbing. As you can see, on the bull market support band, let's check it on the weekly. It's actually offering a support, but on the daily, as we can see, it's also offering a support in consonant with this trend line. So Link is ready almost. Link is ready, but to be safe, we should wait until this Link breaks this recent high. Let's check it on the 4-hourly. Yeah, it should break this recent high, of which it can be today, it can be tomorrow, it can be on Monday. It should break this recent high, because after breaking this, then we know that this resistance here can be cleared. This resistance around this level from this other block, for people that use other block to judge, around here. So once it breaks above this resistance, I believe it will also clear this one, and that will give us a clear move up in the price of Links. And Links now will fly. First target is this level, but Links should do better than this. Links should do better than this. I expect Links to get to probably $50, if possible. Maybe $40 or $50, but technically it should get to $40 for Links. So that is it so far. I don't. Okay, we can also examine. Okay, I will leave Bitcoin and for another video.